MTU's ON-SITEPlus service keeps you flying. So, if you find yourself on the ground, we work fast, intelligently, and hard to get you back in the air, at minimum disruption and cost. Whether it's a preventive maintenance or an aircraft on-ground event, MTU's ON-SITEPlus engine experts provide extensive services and support wherever you are. These range from borescope inspection to module swaps on the largest engine portfolio worldwide. We are global. Our dedicated teams will analyze the issue, gather the tooling, and travel to you to get the task done. Wherever possible, we repair on or near wing. Our specialists take care of all inspections and paperwork, giving the globally respected MTU quality stamp. Additionally, we can perform all work scopes within our network of shops and provide spare engines if required. We support you with logistics, housekeeping, and material support whenever they are needed. We are reliable and independent, with expertise based on over 40 years as a major MRO industry player. But we are also a lessor, asset manager, and even a design organization. In fact, if an on-site fix doesn't exist, we regularly engineer and obtain certification for faster and less invasive procedures to access even more parts on or near wing. Count on us, whenever, wherever, and whatever.